Hello YouTube, this is Henbasket, and welcome to Fire Alarm Friday. As you can see here, we have my MS301C again, my Relock MT. We have my two True Alerts, my System Sensor Low Frequency Advanced Sounder, my Firelight Bell and System Sensor Classic, Spectral Alert Classic ceiling mount strobe, and my Firelight MS6. So without further ado, gonna pull the alarm. Yeah, those things don't work on code 3. Mother. That was working when I last tested it. Oh well. There we go. There we go. Henbasket signing off.